Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use FX in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and get started by adding our FX effects and how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up recording mode. So you can open up any of the instruments you have right here is the same. I'm going to open up the audio recorder. It's all going to open up this new same recording menu where you can see we can now get started with recording, and in the upper left corner is going to appear a button that's going to be the edit mode. Once we click this button to open up the edit mode and the mixing mode where we can find all our tracks and get started with adding effects, this is how we can get started with adding effects. So as you can see right here, a button appears that says FX right here at the top of the screen. You want to click on FX, and this is how you can get started with adding your FX right here. You can edit everything you want, edit, manager, sound, and after you're finished, just go ahead and exit out of the options and it's going to be applied. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.